Let's make a sunflower, part 1. You're going to start with your magic circle. Then following your magic circle, you're going to chain 1 and do 8 half double crochets into your magic circle. Half double crochet is when you pull through all 3. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. All right, after 8, you're going to slip stitch into your first half double crochet and chain 1. And then for the second row, we're going to trick you a little bit here. You're going to do 2 half double crochets in the first one, but for the second stitch, you're going to do 2 half double crochets back loop only. Then alternate that around. So back or regular half double crochet, back loop only half double crochets, 2 in each stitch, totaling 16 half double crochets. When you're done with that, insert your hook and do a slip stitch into your first. Chain 1 for your row 3, and this time you're going to do a half double crochet back loop only starting. You'll do that 2 times, and then for the half double crochet you're just going to do 1 in that stitch. So 2 back loop onlys in the same stitch, and then only 1 front only 1 full half double crochet. And when you get to the end, on the last stitch, your last full half double crochet, pull in your yellow and slip stitch to join. And there completes the middle of your flower. Now, to start your petals, chain 6, then slip stitch back into that first or same stitch, then slip stitch into the next stitch, and chain 6. And then slip stitch back into that stitch. Repeat that all the way around. When you get to the end, slip stitch to your first slip stitch. And there you go. To level up this flower, wait till the next post. We're going to make it even better. Pow!